The OrCam Earphones box includes the Bluetooth earphones, a charging cable, and a user guide. The earphones have two battery shells. The battery shell with the rubber flap sticking out is the left ear side and has the activation control panel with 3 buttons. The middle button is the power on and off and pairing button. The other 2 buttons control the volume. To charge the earphones, remove the rubber flap and insert the narrow end of the cable into the micro USB inlet. Insert the other end into the USB wall charger. When charging, a red indicator light will appear. In the initial charge, the battery will be full after 3 hours and the indicator light will turn blue. Fully charged earphones can last for up to 6 hours of use. Pairing your earphones with the OrCam MyEye. Place at least one earphone in your ear and make sure you have your OrCam MyEye device powered on and awake. Turn on the earphones and enter pairing mode by pressing the pairing button for 6 seconds. The LED light will turn blue and you will hear. When the device enters pairing mode, the LED light will start flashing red and blue and you will hear. Double tap the touch bar on your OrCam MyEye and say this vocal command after the beep.
Connect to Bluetooth audio device.
You will then hear.
Touch to connect to Bluetooth earphones or swipe for other settings.
Tap the touch bar once. You will hear a series of beeps followed by the name of the Bluetooth device.
Touch to connect to OrCam earphones or swipe for other options.
Touch the touch bar and the audio will now be transmitted through the Bluetooth earphones and announce
Bluetooth audio device OrCam earphones connected.
When connected to a Bluetooth audio device, the volume is controlled only by the buttons on the Bluetooth audio device and not by the OrCam device's touch bar. Note, if your OrCam MyEye does not detect the earphones, press the pairing button once more. You can also access the Bluetooth connectivity settings via the user menu settings as demonstrated in the tutorial Bluetooth connection. When the earphone's battery is low, the LED light will start flashing red.